Hello, welcome or welcome back to Life on the Franch. Today we are going to be making banana bread. Specifically, chocolate chip banana bread. Because banana bread by itself, let's be honest, is not that great. Normally, as in always, Stan makes the banana bread for me, for us. I don't know how to make it. But we've had the recipe on the wall now for 2 years?
Yeah. I make it on such a consistent basis that it might as well just be somewhere that I can always access it.
Yeah, so 2 years. And I've never made it. So rather than following a recipe from somebody else, today I am going to be honored to do Stan's recipe of chocolate chip banana bread. And I have the benefit of having the instructor right on site. Yep. So hopefully there'll be no mess ups.
It's a really simple recipe. It's 2 ingredients, 1 minute.
1 minute.
The ingredients that you'll need are sugar, flour, bananas.
We'll just put the title, 1 minute banana bread. No oven.
1 minute to eat, 40 minutes to bake.
Right? If you want to see our tirades against that, I'll link one of them above, where it's like the most ridiculous like titles that are so beyond like the reality of what they say. So this one will have an honest title because I'm not going to be a hypocrite. Easy chocolate chip banana bread. If it's easy. We will see. What do I do?
The first thing I recommend is preparing the bananas.
We gotta peel them?
We gotta peel them and we gotta put them in the bowl.
Banana. You never did this? You can't?
No, never seen this one.
No?
No.
Okay, I'll start again. Alright, it's like this. Peel banana. Peel banana. Peel banana. Peel banana. And then you go into other foods. That's the banana part.
So first we peel the bananas.
Okay. I've gotten the bowl out.
Okay. So now you can put the bananas just directly into that bowl once they're peeled.
Okay. Should I be wearing an apron for this recipe?
You don't need it.
Okay.
It's all in the bowl. There's flour at some point. It's going to get a little messy.
Drop it in?
Yep.
Even the gross?
Everything.
Oh, God. So I'm the type of person who only eats, like, green bananas.
Yeah. So, like, weirdos.
They taste so much better.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Like,
okay, so I'll agree. The brown bananas are much too far. But the green bananas are not far enough.
Well, not like bright green, but like yellow green. You peel one of those things, you know you're in for a treat. If there's any brown, you won't even see me like attempt to eat it. Because I don't want to risk there being grossness on the inside. I don't like the taste of bananas. That's why this is chocolate chip banana bread. Because I like chocolate and bananas together. Like fondue, with chocolate fondue with bananas. Better than strawberries. Hot take.
It's true. It is really good. That used to be one of my favorite snacks as a kid.
You have fondue as a snack?
Like chocolate fondue, yeah.
I've never had fondue. What kind of life did you live?
Chocolate fondue was like a late night snack, yeah. You just melt some chocolate on a flame and put it over a banana. It's not that complicated. It's like nacho cheese.
Listen, I get that it's not like complicated, but I have never met anybody who's made fondue as a late night snack.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I've known anybody who's made it at home, period. I think we did once for my 9th birthday, because it was my golden birthday. Okay, what's step 2?
Step 2, we need to melt the butter,
okay.
Which I know is your favorite.
Yeah, I love that. It never explodes on me ever. This is the fun part about baking. where you get to like think about every mistake you've ever made, every regret you have, but only in increments of 15 seconds. That's how I've entertained myself. Just blink with the microwave's beeps. that's gonna be hot. Okay, let's preheat the oven to 375.
350.
You said 350.
Yeah.
Okay, now I need the butter.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hot to touch.
Well, leave it in there for now. We can get these smashed up a little bit first.
Okay.
And then we'll put the melted butter
Butter's out!
Butter! Oh, who's got the butter?
You heard us and you said, oh, I want to be a part.
Alright.
Let me be a part. Look at her. You're so cute. Okay, I'll get you out. Did you want some? You don't even like bananas.
She probably wants dinner.
Oh, you want dinner? You want that puree? Don't eat my bird. Hey, that is a ring, not food. Yeah, you definitely want dinner. Okay, I get it. I get it. Here, ready? Give me a sec. Huh? You're so neat. Hold on. Okay. Mush bananas?
Yes, let's mush the bananas.
With what? You want
You just put it in the thing. Put it on the...
Oh, you want me
Give
to
the...
use this?
Yeah, use this. Here. It's much easier.
Okay. Then this goes in. Like so. Add in the butter.
That's true. You can mix in the butter now.
That's a third cup, by the way.
I'll put the recipe in the description.
Okay. Now what?
Now, we want to make sure that's well blended, that there's no, like, chunks in there of banana. But we can start by beating the egg.
Okay.
Yeah, so make the egg ready.
It's a human recipe because I'm using a fork. Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, so you can dunk that in.
Okay.
Cool. Now we want to do some sugar, which is I think 3/4 cup.
Okay, that's 1/4. 2/4. That's a lot of sugar. 3/4. And we're done.
So now we need the vanilla, 1 teaspoon.
Oh, a new vanilla. A virgin vanilla. So hard to come by these days. But there's no judgment at all. Okay.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good, pretty liquidy. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. Usually I combine these in a separate bowl.
Okay. We didn't have counter space over here. What do you want me to do?
One teaspoon of baking soda.
I don't know why I paused. I hesitated.
And then a pinch of salt.
I have the salt. How much is
got salt?
how much is a pinch?
I think it's a 1/16 of a teaspoon or
All right.
1/8 of a teaspoon.
Tell me when.
Okay.
Ready?
I can't see it.
Did we not learn anything from the chicken video? I can't be trusted with the salt.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, stop. Okay, Because I did add salt.
The pinch has been punched.
I don't...
What is the past tense of pinch? Punch?
Pinched.
Punched?
No, pinched. Dumbass, it's pinched. I'm assuming we mix.
Yes, we mix. Oh. Whoa.
Not on the dress. Not on the dress.
No apron required.
What?
Okay, so now that's well mixed.
Mm-hmm.
We put it into that mixture.
All right.
So I'll wait a little bit and let it get incorporated. So that looks pretty good.
Wonderful.
Alright, so we cleared some space. We got an 8x8 pan ready. So we need to add the chocolate chips, and then we also need to butter the pan.
So should I add the chocolate chips first?
Yes. Whichever way you want to do.
I will add the chocolate chips first. How many chocolate chips? I know it's to preference, but what do you use?
Oh, anywhere between like half a cup and a cup. Maybe 2/3 of a cup.
Okay, 2/3 of a cup. People.
We'll start there and see how it looks.
How do you access through this?
I usually just dump it.
Alright, just tell me when to stop. Okay, ready?
That's good.
Okay. Butter the pan?
Butter the pan, and then pour it in and put it in the oven.
Gotta remember to butter the sides, kids.
And corners.
And the corners. Okay. Buttered. Right?
Yeah, you missed a spot.
Did what?
You missed a spot.
I don't think I did.
Yes, you did. I can touch it and not have butter on my finger. You missed a spot here.
I'm gonna kill you. Happy? Are you happy?
Happy area. Let me check. You missed a spot.
What do you... Where?
You can touch it. You can put your finger there and feel that there's no butter.
It's not letting me go past here.
Letting me go. That means you put your hands in there.
No.
Get them dirty.
No, I already hate this. I hate the fact that I've touched this butter. I've already touched egg and gross bananas. You've asked too much of me, okay? Too much. I am fucking getting it. You say it one more goddamn time, and you aren't getting any.
What do you think, audience at home? Did she butter the pan well?
Did I or did I not?
I think it's pretty good, yeah. It's really good. It's amazing. It's 100%.
I just have told you.
Pour it on in.
Okay. Here we go. Into the pan. Oh God, I hate this smell. Really don't like it. Oh, it's horrible. I really hope this doesn't ruin this recipe for me, because I actually genuinely enjoy this banana bread recipe. But this smell, like rotted bananas beyond belief, is not enticing.
Okay, and there you go. You pop that into the oven and you're good to go.
Pop it in, maybe. Pop it, lock it, drop it. You can tell I am a millennial. How long is this in for?
This is in for
45 minutes to an hour.
Yeah, 45 minutes to an hour.
Timer. We'll see you in 45 minutes to an hour. Bye.
You gotta give a little bit to the sous chef.
Definitely. Look at her eye. So cute. Gotta keep sous chef happy.
Oh yeah.
So after you've been waiting for 45 minutes, you check on this, and this time we are not gonna burn ourselves. Ah, fuck me. Ow. The one time I don't use oven mitts to put something in the oven. I don't like ovens. I hit chocolate.
You're okay then.
Huh?
It looks fine.
That's fine? Okay, let's test the middle. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So, 45 minutes. Precisely. Actually not, because we didn't start the timer on time, but it's fine. 45 minutes to an hour. And voila! We have our beautiful banana bread. We're gonna let it rest to cool. Normally we eat this like for breakfast, but I want to show you what the inside looks like and like show you that I like it by taking a bite, because that's how like most cooking videos end. This is what we do for aesthetics in the food industry, as an expert could say. I'm sure they're all hunched over like this. And then once you've gotten like a good thigh quad workout, that's when you know it's done.
I don't think we're this kind of channel.
We'd have more viewers if we were. Time to eat. I felt it needed a garnish. Because this looks like sad by itself. Compared to other, like, less tasty dishes we've had. So, it's still a little bit warm, but it's late and I want to go to sleep now. So, here goes. It's so good. Yeah. Because it's not overly sweet. You know, we didn't put in too many chocolate chips. Mm-hmm. And you can definitely still taste the banana. But it's not like just banana. It really kind of tastes like banana dipped in chocolate. This takes you to Flavor Town. So, Stan needs to try it too, I guess. Here.
I already know it's good.
Well, I know, but...
Oh. I love the edges. Because they get, like, kind of caramely, crispy.
This part?
Yeah. I'm pretty good.
I like the non-edges a little bit more.
Teach their own.
Yeah. But, I hope you like this video as much as we like this banana bread. If you did, click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more of our videos, click subscribe. Ding the bell button to know when we post, which is every day. And comment below if you have like your own like favorite like breakfast, like recipe, like, because we will eat this and it will last us days, like, because it's an 8x8 pan. So if you have like something that like that, like a casserole or another banana recipe, whatever, put it below. I'd love to try it and see if I can do it. Have a nice day. Bye.